Hello, good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Now, today we are going to discuss how effective managers use information system. Okay, advance in computer-based information technology in recent years have led to a wide variety of systems that managers are now using to make and implement decisions by and large. These systems have been developed from scratch for specific potentials, purpose, and differ significantly from standard electronic data processing system. Too often, unfortunately, managers have little say in the development of this decision support system. At the same time, non this support system. At the same time, non-managers who to develop them have a limited view of how they can be used. In spite of these drawbacks, the author found that a number of the 56 systems he studied are successful. And the difference between success and failure is the extent to which managers can use the system to increase their effectiveness with their organizations. Thus, author suggests that this is the criterion designers and managers should jointly is described to in exploiting the capability of today technology. Types of digital support system. While there are many ways to characterize computer system, a practical one is to compare them in terms of what they does with them. Retrieve isolated data item. Use as mechanism for ad hoc analysis of data find. Obtain specified aggregation of data in the form of standard reports. Estimate the consequence of proposed decision. Proposed decision makes decision. Okay. Proposed decision. What can managers realistically expect from computer other than a pile of reports a foot deep dumped on their desk every other week? Everyone knows, for instance, that computers are great at listing receiver. But what about all the premises and all the speculation over the past few decades about the role of computer in management? While there have been advances in basic information retrieval, processing, and display that technologies, my findings show that the other researchers have reported applications are being developed and used to support the manager responsible for making and implementing decisions rather than to replace him. In other words, people in a growing number of organizations are using what are often called decision support systems to improve their managerial effectiveness. Unfortunately, my researchers also bore out the fact that while more and more practical applications are being developed for the use of decision makers, three sizable stumbling blocks still stand in the way of others who might benefit from them. First, manager and computer user in many organizations are familiar with only a few of the type of the system now in use. As a result, different type of innovative system have often been conceived and initiated by internal or external entrepreneurs, not by the system user or their superiors. Second, and closely related to my first finding, these entrepreneurs tend to concentrate on a technical characteristic. Too often, these myopia means that they fail to anticipate the way in which such system can be used to increase the effectiveness of individuals in organizations. Finally, innovative system. The very ones management should find most useful run a high risk of every being implemented, especially when the impetus for change comes from a source often than the potential user. Quite simple. My purpose in this article is to discuss without getting into the technology involved the high potential of the variety of decision support systems, the challenges and risks they pose to managers and implementers, and a wide range of strategies to meet these challenges and risks. As exhibited indicates, EDP report system usually perform only the third function in this list of operation, which I have organized along a dimension from data orientation to model orientation. Hence, unlike the ADP, user who receive standard reports on a periodic basis, the decision support system user typically initiates each instance of system users, either directly or through a stuffed intermediary. Although decision-oriented reporting systems often grow out of standard ETP system, I will concentrate on seven distinct types. Briefly describe one example for each type. Okay. Incidentally, it is interesting to note that external consultants developed the system cited in my second, fifth, and seventh example, while those of the first, third, and sixth were the creation of people acting as internal entrepreneurs through staff roles. Only the fourth system was developed in direct assignment by the user. These some patterns of initiation of innovative system by people other than the user was present in many of the system. Okay. First one is retrieval only, a shop floor information system. In order to help production foreman improve the percentage yield on a newly developed 50 stage process for manufacturing, microcircuits and management of one company has installed an one-line shop floor information system. Operators submit daily piecework report, which include yield release data identification of the person who does the work and so on. The foreman then juggle this information to obtain productivity data by operation, operator, machine, and lots. Thus, they are able to use the system in a number of ways. They can monitor workflow, pinpoint real problem, and settle down day-to-day questions, such as who worked on which lot, when, and which operator are ahead for or behind schedule or below standard. The foremen have 13 standard commands by which they can retrieve the data stored in the system and display them on a cathode ray tube terminal. The command permitted them to tailor report to their needs. Retrieval and analysis. A portfolio analysis system before advertise client or making authorized trading decision. The portfolio manager at a bank I studied use an online system to analyze individual portfolios. The managers can bypass time consuming manual methods and obtain up to date and clearly organized portfolio information in their graphic or tabular form. Okay, tabular form. Depending on the situation, a manager can inspect both individual portfolios and group of portfolios from different viewpoints. For example, rank them in a different way, obtain breakdown in industry or risk level, and so on. With this kind of flexibility, the bank's portfolio managers make more effective use of a vast amount of information, most of which had existed prior to the system, but had been accessible only through tedious manual analysis. Multiple database plus analysis, sales information system. Greater flexibility was also the reason that two consumer product companies and one manufacturing companies I looked at developed sales information system which are quite similar standard ADP function were too inflexible to produce ad hoc sales analysis report in a timely and cost-effective manner for those in the company's marketing and planning areas in which case information extracted from the EDP system is now mentioned separately in order to have it handy and in what instance to be able to analyze it in conjunction with externally purchased proprietary database and models. Property data and models. Basically, e-system is a vehicle by which a staff man or group tries to help decision makers. Their modules operandi in increment identify a problem within the current system and existing expertise to bear on it. Develop a solution in the form of any analysis or additionally system module and incorporate the results into an expand version of the system. Evaluating decision using an accounting model, a source and application of funds budget to expedite operational, operational decision making and financial planning over a 2 year horizon. An insurance company is using an online source and application of funds budget system. Inputs are projection of future business level in various line of insurance and investment areas, plus assumption concerning important number such as future money market rates. The output is a projected overall cash flow by month. An investment committee used the model to allocate fund across in investment area and to minimize the amount of cash left idle in bank. The committee compares projected cash flow based on different allocation systems decision. The decision that is actually adopted are those that produce adequate projected cash flow and that are acceptable to the various group in the company. Actually, the system is an accounting definition of the company. There is no question about the accuracy of the relationship in the model. So the only you projected results can be in error is if estimates of business activities level or money market rates are incorrect. Evolution. Decision using a simulation model and making decision system in order to provide a more rational basis for repetitive market decision. A consumer product company uses a model that relates level of advertising, promotion and pricing to level of sales of a particular brand. The model was developed in the team setting for reconciling and analysis of historical brand information with an individual's subjective feeling concerned the effect of sales of various level and type of advertising and other marketing actions. This model was validated by tracking its accuracy in predictions, sales based on the competitive action that were taken unlike the accounting models I just mentioned. This is a simulation model in which some of the most important relationships are estimates at best. For instance, there simply is no rule by which it is possible to predict sales with certain based on advertising label. In fact, this was the heart of issue in developing the models. Even though it was turned out to the useful for prediction, much of the value of the model lies in the company's improved understanding of market environment. And the consumer product company faced with short run simply probably for many of its raw material has developed an optimization model to solve the mathematical puzzle for choosing and balancing among various product recipes. The input to the model include a series of different recipes for many products. Short-run supply label are raw material and production equipment for finished products. The output is the choice of recipe that maximize production use existing supplies. When the short-run supply situation shifts, the model can be revised and a new set of recipes chosen. The system has had a major impact on the way managers view allocation policy. Initially, they considered allocating scarce raw material to product by setting priorities among products. The model showed that it was more advantageous to start with production requirement and the allocation scarce resources by optimizing the mix of product recipe. Making decisions and insurance renewal rate system as an outgrowth of an overhaul of its group insurance formation system, an insurance company has developed a system to eliminate part of clerical burden associated with renewable underwriting and to help ensure that rate calculations are consistent and accurate. instead of calculating renewal rates by hand. Underwriter will out of coded input sheets for the system, which calculate a renewal rate based on a series of standard statistical and actuarial assumptions. Since these assumptions might or might not apply to a particular policy, the underwriter review documentation accompanying the policy and decided whether the standard calculations are applicable. If they are not, the coding sheet is modified in an appropriate manner and res- resubmitted. In effect, the system makes the decision in completely standard situation, while underwriter decision whether the situation is standard and if not, what adjustments are required. As a result, the underwriters can concentrate on the substance of their jobs rather than related clearly cross. The spectrum of possibilities. These seven systems represent a wide range of approaches in supporting decision. The first of the help production foreman by simply providing rapid access to historical information, such as who worked on what lot and when the work was done. But the foreman must decide what should be done once they have the information. At the other extreme, the system support the underwriters virtually make the decision in some cases. Between the two extreme analysis system and model-oriented system help people organize information and also facilitate and formalize the evolution of purpose decision. Although Meyer is most large company have used budgeting or planning system similar to the source and application of fund model. I mentioned the spectrum of possibilities for other kinds of decision support system is surprisingly wide. Obviously, some of these systems are of no particular use in many settings. Still, their variety suggests that most companies should have a number of genuine opportunities for applying the concept of computer based support for decision making. Motive of managers: what decision support systems do that actually help their users? What is their real impact? In my survey, answers to these questions provide elusive in many cases, since the user value the system for reasons that were completely different from initiative idea of what the system were the accomplished. In fact, a wide range of purpose exists of this system. While many decision support systems share the goal of standard EDP system, they go further and address other managerial concerns, such as improving interpersonal communication, facilitating problem solving, fostering individual learning, and increasing organizational control. Such systems can affect interpersonal communication in two ways: by providing individual with tools for persuasion and by providing organization with the vocabulary and discipline which facilitate negotiation across summit boundaries. A standard tax on system analysis totally overlooked and personal issue of decision support system as tools. So persuasion. But consider the following offensive. The managers of a chemical plant was attempting to meet output goals that were being set by a marketing group. Unfortunately, the group was setting goals without much consideration of raw material shortage under which the plant was operating. The plant had been using a model to calculate production mixes. At one point, it occurred to the plant manager that this could use this model to investigate whether marketing was setting goals that resulted in poor plant utilization and made him appear inefficient. As he ran the model under a series of different production mix rules, it became clear that this was the case, and he used the result of pursuit marketing to change his plant production mix. Thank you.